friends, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. So in today's video I'm going to give a review about Lakme Blush and Glow Cream Face Wash with strawberry extracts. This is the 50-gram package of the face wash, which costs around 120 rupees. Of course, all Lakme products are costly irrespective of their mind-glowing results. So in the same way, the product is also a bit pricey. A 50-gram face wash for 120 rupees is of course not within our budget, but it is good to carry a travel-friendly face wash with multiple benefits. So this is the cute tube packaging of this face wash. It has an open-close lid type, which the lid is so strong enough to prevent any leakage. On back of the product they have given how to use, and the complete list of ingredients is also mentioned. The product promises that it moisturizes and nourishes our skin. It gently cleanses the skin without drying it and effectively washes away dirt, impurities and pollution, giving your skin a blush-like glow. Of course, the product, as per the name, as it claims, it gives a good glow to your skin instantly on washing your face, which actually dissolves on after washing it within hours. Okay, so we'll see how the product works. So I'll show you the consistency and color, texture and everything. So as they have mentioned, it is a cream face wash. Could you see the color? It is like baby pink in color. The face wash, you will have to wet your face and then take a required amount of the face wash and apply it all over your face and rinse it with water. If you search for a best face wash for dry skin in India, of course this product comes first, and I was searching for a good face wash which moisturizes my skin without leaving dry patches, and I found this product on the internet and I purchased it in the local store. I didn't find anything, it actually nourishes and moisturizes my skin, but I do feel the pulling sensation. So since my skin is extra dry, the product doesn't work the desired way. It does moisturizes your skin. It removes any impurities, it removes any oil, and it gives a good glow to your skin as per its name. But in the moisturizing side, it actually lags a bit. The fragrance, now coming to the fragrance of the product, it is like in our younger ages we would have tasted the Boomer. I don't know if you have heard of the product, but still we do have it in Chennai also. Or how can I better explain is the strawberry flavor, the strawberry cream in our biscuits. In cream biscuits we generally have that strawberry flavor, so that kind of flavor, the exact flavor is what we have. It is like amazing. The fragrance, it is like, if you will feel like tasting the face wash literally, but I feel like that in that way. I don't know how about you, so please don't look at me in that weird way. Okay, I'm comparing the fragrance, that is it. So the fragrance is complete strawberry fragrance. It lathers well if you wet your face first and then apply it. If you apply it directly, it would be difficult to apply. So once mixed with water, if you're not wetting your face, or you can mix 2 to 3 drops of water in the face wash and you can apply it all over your face and neck. A little product is actually more than enough for covering your entire face and neck. This product, according to me, it suits only normal skin types. For normal skin types, it is actually a very big boon for you. You guys, you have a wide range of products to use, unlike oily skin and dry skin. Normal skin, since you adapt to all the seasons and products, mostly all products suits you. So in that way, this product actually suits you also very well. And even oily skin types, you can also try this product because it does not make your skin oily. Since it makes my skin only drier, you can also opt for this product. It is amazing, literally it is amazing, except for the nourishing part for my extra dry skin. I love the product. on the whole, I will give about 4.7 rating for this out of 5. And for the price, if you're really affordable, you can purchase it, or else you can completely leave it. We still have more budget friendly products, and I will try that definitely for you and give a review about it. You would really feel the glow immediately on using the product. So as per the name, it claims blush and glow. You know, this Lakme product, this Lakme face wash gives your skin an instant glow with a pinkish shade in your face, since it has strawberry extracts. We all know what strawberry does to your skin. So relevantly, the face wash, you know, with strawberry extracts does wonders to your skin. It you know, cleans away any dirt. I think I'm repeating it again. So yes, if you have any queries regarding the product, you can comment it down. I would feel happy to reply you. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, only then you will get receive notifications of my video whenever I post it. And if you have any other product in mind, or if you have any other problems, like any skin concerns, you can for sure text me. I would feel happy to reply for that also. We'll all meet in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Abhi. Bye.